Hello friends, welcome to Steno Aspirants. Be ready. Start. A natural disaster is an unforeseen occurrence of an event that causes harm to society. There are many natural disasters that damage the environment and the people living in it. Some of them are earthquakes, cyclones, floods, tsunami, landslides, volcanic eruption, and avalanches. Spatial extent measures the degree or severity of the disaster. The severity or degree of damage can be further divided into three categories. Small scale disasters are those that extend from 50 kilometers to 100 kilometers. So, this kind of disasters does not cause much damage. Medium scale disasters extend from 100 kilometers to 500 kilometers. These cause more damage than a small scale disaster. Moreover, they can cause greater damage if they occur in colonial states. Large scale disasters cover an area of more than 1000 kilometers. These cause the most severe damage to the environment. Furthermore, these disasters can even take over a country if the degree is high. For instance, the wiping out of the dinosaurs was because of a large scale natural disaster. An earthquake is the shaking or vibrating of the earth. An earthquake can range in sizes. As a result, some are so weak that they go unnoticed, but some are so strong that they can even destroy the whole city. Earthquakes can cause disruption of ground. Moreover, they can also cause landslides, avalanches, and tsunami. However, the center of an earthquake falls mostly offshore. These can cause of releasing of the energy. This release is from the core of the earth. Furthermore, the release of energy causes seismic waves. Rupturing of geological faults causes earthquakes. But other events like volcanic eruptions, landslides, mine blasts can also cause it. Landslides is the moving of big boulders of rocks or debris down a slope. As a result, landslides occur in hilly areas. Moreover, landslides can cause destruction to man made things in many ways. Gravitational pull, volcanic eruptions, earthquakes can cause landslides. Moreover, soil erosion due to deforestation is also a cause of landslides. Avalanches are like landslides, but instead of rocks, 1,000 tons of snow falls down the slope. Moreover, this causes extreme damage to anything that comes in its way. People who live in snowy mountains always have fear of it. Avalanches takes place when there is a large accumulation of snow on the mountains. Moreover, they can also occur from earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Furthermore, the chances of surviving an avalanche are very less. This is because people die of hypothermia in it. Tsunami is the production of very high waves in oceans and seas. Moreover, the displacement of the ground causes these high waves. A tsunami can cause floods if it occurs near shores. A tsunami can consist of multiple waves. Moreover, these waves have a high current. Therefore, it can reach coastlines within minutes. The main threat of a tsunami is if a person sees a tsunami, he cannot outrun it. Tsunami is unlike normal waves that occur due to the wind. But tsunami is waves that occur by ground displacement. Thus, earthquakes are the main cause of tsunamis. Stop. Thank you.